Listen students, now we are going to see present perfect tense. What is the formula for present perfect tense? Have, has plus verb 3 active form. Okay, has, have, has plus been plus v3 is a formula for passive form. The sentence is the example for present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect tense. So they have drunk tea is the example for present perfect tense. Okay, they have drunk a tea. They subject, have verb, have drunk verb plus tea. Listen, have subject plus have or has whatever it is, இது ரெண்டுத்துல எது வேணா வரும், plus v3 ஃபார்மில் இருக்கும். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபார்மேட். ஆக்டிவ் ஃபார்மில் இருக்குது. இன்கேஸ் வந்து ஹேஸ் ப்ளஸ் பீன் ப்ளஸ் v3 ஃபார்மில் இந்த சென்டென்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா பேசிவ் ஃபார்ம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ நவ் ஐ சால்வ் திஸ் question. It is easy to understand. Listen to me. Subject becomes verb. Subject becomes verb. So write this. T is the object. Object becomes subject. Object becomes subject. T has been drunk by them. This is the answer for this question. Listen, T object becomes subject. Okay, has been. See, listen, the subject is a T, so I write have. If the subject they, I அப்படிலாம் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா ஹாவ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இங்கே இருக்க சப்ஜெக்டை டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி தான் இங்கே இருக்கிறத ரைட் பண்ணுவோம். சிலிசன் டி ஹேஸ் பீன் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபார்மேட். ஸோ ஐ ரைட் பீன், ஹேஸ் பீன் drunk by tea, by them. Preposition by is added, is the rule. I already told to you is the rule. So by them, they becomes them. Okay, preposition, the subject they, subject they வந்து இங்கே ஆப்ஜெக்டாக மாறும்போது ப்ரிப்போசிஷன் தெம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். தேக்கு தெம் ப்ரிப்போசிஷன் இல்லையா? ஸோ ஐ ரைட் தெம். அண்ட் தென் லிசன், simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. What is the formula for simple past tense? For all subject plus v2 it is a passive form. Was, were plus v3 is the active form. Listen, they revealed the secret. First you remember one thing, you must split the sentence subject verb object. This is the first and important for all the sentence. Okay, you should do you should split the sentence after only you solve. Okay, it is easy to understand. Okay, first you find out the sentence and the tense. Okay, subject verb object, this is the format. Okay, subject they becomes them. Okay, then revealed the secret. Okay, I explain it. The secret object becomes subject in the passive form. So I write the secret. The secret was is the structure. So I already write the subject, the secret. After that, while changing in a passive voice, we write was for plural form, singular form, were for plural form. The secret is a singular form, so I write the secret was. If the subject is in plural, we write were. Okay, this sentence is a singular form, so I write the secret was The secret was revealed. Revealed, V3 form, okay. Revealed. The secret was revealed by them. They becomes them an object, okay. We see the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. What is the formula for past continuous tense? Was, were plus verb plus ing. The active form structure. Was, were plus being plus V3 is the passive form structure. The thief is the example for past continuous tense. The thieves were dividing the jewels is the example question, okay. The sentence is in past continuous tense. How we find is the past continuous tense? See, were dividing, verb plus ing is a continuous tense, so it's a past continuous tense, okay. Then listen, now I change this sentence into passive form. So the object becomes subject, the jewels, okay, the jewels, object becomes subject, right, where being, here is the formula, was or were, the jewels is in plural form, so I write were here and add being plus V3 form. What is the V3 form? What is the V3 form of dividing? Divided. So I write divided by, preposition by is added, subject becomes object, the thieves, okay. This is the answer for this question. Then come to past continuous tense. What is the structure? What is the formula for past continuous, past perfect tense? See, have plus V3, had plus V3 is the active form, add plus being plus V3 is a passive form. The hunters had, hunter a deer, hunter is a subject, had verb, had hunter is a verb, a deer, object becomes subject, a deer, and then had or been, okay, the deer had been, a deer had been hunted, a deer had been hunted by the hunter, okay. Hunted is the V3 form of hunter. Subject, the hunter becomes object, okay, becomes object, the passive form. A deer had been hunted by the hunter. It's the answer for past perfect tense. Simple future tense. What is the formula for simple future tense? Will, shall plus V3 active form. Will, shall plus be plus V3 is a passive form. This sentence is in active form and simple future tense. Okay. The sentence is in simple future tense. How we find out? Will. Auxiliary verb. Will is in the sentence. So this is simple future tense. Will. See the formula. Will plus shall plus V3. Subject, will and V3 form. So this is considered as a simple future tense. Okay. So I solved this. Listen carefully. English will be will be spoken by, he becomes him. Him. Okay, English will be spoken by him. This is the correct answer. Okay, listen, this is the formula, will, shall plus be. So I write the object becomes subject. English will be, the formula will plus be. So will or shall, இங்கே will இருக்கு. ஸோ நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்னா will இங்கே ரைட் பண்ணிட்டேன், ப்ளஸ் பி இருக்கணும். ஸோ பீன்றதை வந்து இங்கே நம்ம நார்மலாக எது இருந்தாலும் இல்லைனாலும் இங்கே பி ரைட் பண்ணோம். ஸோ பி, what is the V3 form of spoken by him? This is the answer for this question. And come to the future perfect tense. Okay, this is the format for future perfect tense. Will, shall, have plus V3 plus V3 is the active form. In passive form, will, shall, have plus been. Okay, he will have written by the test is a future perfect tense. How we is the example for future perfect tense. How we write the answer? What is the answer for this question? Listen, the test. Okay, the test is a subject. First of all, you should separate the sentence. This is the first rule. Okay, you should separate the sentence. After that, you start to write. This is the subject, verb, and then object. After you split this and then start to solve the answer. First one, he, the test. The test is the subject. The test will, formula. Okay, will have been written by him. Okay, see, you should memorize the formula. Okay, you should memorize the formula. It is easy to solve. If you memorize all the formulas, it is easy to solve. So you must memorize the formula. Then after you start to write the answers for all the questions. Okay, so you should memorize all the formulas. Okay, then auxiliary verbs. We finished 12 tense and examples. We saw 12 tense and examples. So now I explain auxiliary verbs. Okay, come to auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verb, you all know the auxiliary verbs: can, could, should, would, may, might, etc. Okay, so in this auxiliary verb form, what is the structure means? Auxiliary form plus verb 1. It's the structure for active form. So while changing passive form, we must add be plus V3 form. Okay, I give one example. It's somewhat easy to understand. I can see. I can eat 20 cakes is a question. The sentence is in active form. How we change? 20 cakes is the object. So I write 20 cakes can be. Okay, be. Formula. So I add be, apply formula. Can be eaten by me. Eaten is a V3 form of eat. Eaten by, I becomes me. Okay, pronoun. Okay, I becomes me in the object. Okay, this is the answer for this question. I can eat 20 cakes. 20 cakes can be eaten by me. Commands and request. How we change commands and request? Let plus object plus be plus V3. Do the work. How we change? First, we should separate the sentence. Do the work. Okay, is the question. So, see, let. I write let plus D. Work, object becomes subject. Be, the formula be is added. Be, done. V3 form of do is done. This is the answer for this question. Do the work, let the work be done. WH question. What is the formula for WH question? Means by whom plus helping verb plus object. Who broke this table? Okay, by whom? By whom is the formula. So I apply this formula. By whom was helping verb was this table, subject, object becomes subject, broken. Okay, now we are going to see examples. See, listen to me. In the active voice, this is present in your page 14. In the active voice, the request, passive voice request. If the sentence is in passive voice request, we apply these formula. Okay. In active voice, the request being with please. When we change the request from active to passive voice, we should be in the sentence with you are requested to, and the place of please. If requested is a negative form, the request in the passive form should be being with you are requested, not to. Okay, listen. Active voice la please அப்படின்னு இருந்துச்சுன்னா ரெக்வஸ்டட் ஃபார்ம்னா யூ நோ வெல். ப்ளீஸ் அப்படின்னு இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா அந்த ப்ளீஸ்ன்ற பிளேஸை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு we write you are requested to. Okay, here is an example. It is easy to understand. Please assemble in the ground. The sentence is in active form and positive sentence. So we ignore the please and write you are requested to assemble in the group. It's easy to understand. Just we remove please and add you are requested to. Okay, and then please do not use mobile. The sentence is in negative form. So we remove please do not and write you are requested not to use mobile phones here. Okay, then passive voice advice. When we change an advice from active to passive voice, active la irundhu passive voice la advice change pannana, we should be in the sentence with you are advised to. Okay, we add the word you are advised to. If the active is a negative form, ஒரு வேளை அந்த சென்டென்ஸ் வந்து நெகட்டிவ்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா it should be with you are advised not. Okay, these are all the difference between request and active. Advice requestல வந்து நெகட்டிவ் ஃபார்மில் இருந்ததுன்னா you are requested, you are requested not to அப்படின்றத ஆட் பண்ணுவோம். In case the sentence is in positive form, we write you are requested to. See, in this advice we add you are advised. Okay, you are advised to work hard and do not eat junk food. Okay, this is the question. Do not eat junk food. The question is in active form, so we write you are advises not the question is in a positive. The question is positive, so we write you are advised not to eat junk food. So if the question is a positive, we add you are advised. If the question is a negative, we add not to eat. Okay, this is the difference between positive form and negative form. Okay, then come to omitting agent. What is the omitting agents? In the sentence beginning with the someone, no one, omit the agent. Okay, if the sentence beginning starting la vandu someone, no one அப்படினு வந்துச்சுனா அதை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டு active voice la அப்படி இருந்துச்சுனா அதை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டு see my books, subject becomes object becomes subject, has been taken away. Okay, has been taken away. And listen, no one has bought the ticket is the active form. The ticket is a object, it becomes subject in the passive form. Have not, we had have not been brought. Okay, add not to the verb for nobody, none, no one. Not and then nobody, none வந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லணும்னா நாட்ன்ற வேர்பை நாட்ன்றதை நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அண்ட் தென் லிசன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஆல்ரெடி நீங்கள் வந்து இது வரைக்கும் ரைட் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க. பாஸ்ட் கண்டினியூஸ் டென்ஸ் வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் டேபிளர் காலம் போட்டு சேஞ்ச் இன்டு பேசிவ் வாய்ஸ்னு டாபிக் போட்டு டேபிளர் காலமில் இது எல்லாத்தையுமே வந்து நீங்கள் காப்பி பண்ணிக்கணும். இதை நீங்கள் மெமரைஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா மட்டும்தான் உங்களால் சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு என்னென்னன்றதே புரியும். இதை நீங்கள் மெமரைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவீங்கன்னா, ஒரு சென்டென்ஸை எடுத்துக்கோங்க, உங்கள் புக்கில் இருக்க ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. அந்த சென்டென்ஸை ஃபுல்லாக எந்த ஃபார்மேட்டில் இருக்க, ஹேட் வருதா, வில் வருதா, அண்ட் தென் ஷல் எந்த ஃபார்மேட்டில் இருக்குது, பேசிவ் ஃபார்மில் இருக்கா, ஆக்டிவ் ஃபார்மில் இருக்கான்றதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ ஷுட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட். ஆஃப்டர் நீங்கள் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணோம். ஆஃப்டர் தட் யூ சால்வ் த ஆன்சர்ஸ். அப்போ மட்டும்தான் புரியும். இது ஃபுல்லாக நீங்கள் பைகாட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா மட்டும்தான் உங்களால் வந்து அந்த சென்டென்ஸை சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, ஸோ இதை ஃபுல்லாக ரைட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஒரு கொஷின் ரைட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து அது என்ன டென்ஸில் இருக்குது. ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் வந்து அது என்ன டென்ஸில் இருக்குதுன்னு பாருங்கள். அதுக்கப்புறமா சென்டென்ஸ் பர்டன் வைஸ் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணோம். சப்ஜெக்ட், வேர்ப், ஆப்ஜெக்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணோம். இப்போது ரவி கேவ் எ பென் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொன்னோன்னா, ரவி சப்ஜெக்ட், கேவ் வேர்ப், எ பென் இஸ் அ ஆப்ஜெக்ட் அப்படின்றத ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமா ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து சப்ஜெக்டாக மாறும். நான் உங்களுக்கு ஃபார்முலா சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.